Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Katie, and today I'm doing some more kind of Bible study / Bible journaling goals for December. So I kind of took a little bit of a break in November or just kind of elongated the goals in October, but I thought I'd share with you the goals I had in October, which I'm trying to remember. I think I got them all from the last video that I did, but let's go ahead and check what I accomplished in the past, 2 months. So I did want to do, I believe I wanted to just get 3 done. I think I got 2 done to make like a total of 30 Bible journaling pages. I did get 2 done though, which I'm super happy about. So I'll share with you because I've been wanting to finish Proverbs and I'm very, very close to finishing Proverbs. So I did 2 pages in Proverbs this past month to almost complete it. I'm so close. So that's one of my goals, but I'll check that out later. So these are the 2 pages that I did. I just found some really cute, like simple doodles on Pinterest, and I just thought what would be cuter than I think I found like one macaroon doodle, but I decided to make it like a cute little tower of macaroons. So I did that one on October 31st and actually did accomplish my goals in October. I did 2 pages, so close to doing the 3rd, but I didn't quite get to it, but at least I did 2. So I did the macaroons for the verse, if your enemy is hungry, give him bread to eat, in Proverbs 26, verses 21 through 22. So I did this one. I love how it turned out. Then I did this cupcake one for let another praise you, Proverbs 27, verse 2. And I really love it. I loved the doodles and stuff. I think I did trace the macaroons in. I don't think I did trace the cupcake. I think I did my hand at trying to draw it myself, and I didn't do too bad of a job. I had fun with it, and that's all that matters, is that you have fun in your journaling. So I do have 2 more there, and I have 2 more. So I have 4, 5, 6 more pages to journal in Proverbs. I don't know if I'm going to get all of those done in December, but let's try. Let's try to complete Proverbs for doodling. This is if you don't know and you're new to my channel, this is my black and white journal. I have a lot of different Bibles, not like a ton, I don't have 100 Bibles. I think I have roughly about 10 Bibles, maybe 10 to 12. But this is my black and white Bible. So all I do is literally do anything that's black and white. So I have a lot of fun with it. It's a lot of fun just to doodle and draw. So let's try to accomplish that and finish Proverbs in December, or at least by the end of December, maybe early January. So I did almost accomplish the goals of journaling. And then as far as my daily devotional with my mom, we're going through 100 days of Bible promises. And I think I said I wanted to make it to about, I think day 70 was our goal for the end of October. And we did accomplish that, I believe, because now we're on 77. And I think we've done it about every other day in November. So I think we did accomplish it and make it to at least 65 or 70 by the end of October. So by the end of Christmas, if we can, because we only have about 23 more days to go in here. So it's doable to finish this before the end of the year. So that's the goal, is to finish this by the end of the year. So that way we just got a new one. We got the 100 Days of Prayer, I believe, by the same author, Shannon Noel. So I'd like to get into that one. So yes, we made it to page 77, which is amazing. So we'll be starting a new one hopefully in the new year. So that's 100 Days of Bible Promises by Shannon Noel. I love this whole series by different authors and everything. And then this is my daily gratitude journal. And as I said in my last goal checkup, I'd like to accomplish and try to write every single day. I think I missed 1 or 2 days here and there, but I did a pretty good job at remembering what I was thankful for the day before, whatever. So I'm all caught up until today, of course. And yeah, so I actually only have about this much left. So I could potentially fill this whole journal in a year. I started this journal back in November 13th of this past year. Or no, last year. So it did take me a little bit longer than a year to fill this. I thought I started it in January. I guess I started it in November, because I figured why not just start whenever I start, A daily gratitude journal is different than a planner or a reading journal. So yes. So this should be done by the end of the year, but it might end up being in January, because it just depends on how much I write every single day. Sometimes it's only one sentence, and that's okay. So yeah. So I will be continuing in this. And then I would like to add the goal for December. I would like to add in, I really would like to read through the entire book of Luke this year. So I do want to add that in for my goals for December, to at least complete one more book of the Bible. So we're going to add in Luke into our plans. So that is my plans and my wrap-ups for last month. So let me know if you have any fun Bible study goals or anything that you enjoy doing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss any fun Bible journaling videos and Bible tips. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video.